Hello, John. Welcome back. In the previous video, we talked about the unordered list where it lists all the items in our list to be with the bullet point. Let's quickly talk about the ordered list, which is the OL now. And then in the OL, we are having LI. Then let me add another food. Let me say spark. And then let me list another one which says uh, coffee. And then let me list another one which is bread. So these are another group of food, but now these ones are nested inside the OL, which is order list. The previous one here is listed in the on order list tag, while this one is listed inside the OL tag, which are the what we call order list. So and let's quickly see the differences by just copying part here, and then let's just go to the browser and paste this and boom, it appears. So you see now the UL, which is the on order list, have bullet points as mentioned in the previous video, while the OL are listed using numbers. As more as you add, it's not just by adding three, you can add as 20 as you want, and if you keep on just numbering them one after the other, and I think that's very very interesting. So let's see what happens, and you can see it's keep on listing them, adding numbers to them. So if you really like this video, kindly subscribe to this channel and hit on the like button. And see you in the next one where we are going to be treating the next list items, which is the definition list.